biggest news is that Federal Reserve reduced the interest rates by 50 bips, which is obviously the first interest rate reduction after March 2020. This is also very significant because we had the highest Fed rates in last 40 years. And this marks a big change in the policy, which was not unexpected, but at the same point of time, this also shows that the underlying economy is weaker than what we were expecting if Fed had done a 25 bips rate reduction. So a lot of business owners who were looking for financing were being kept out of the market because of higher interest rates. One, their ability to pay a higher interest was crippling their businesses. The second is that they were not even qualifying for higher amounts because the debt service coverage ratios were not meeting the minimum standards. So obviously it will help them. The second way it will help them that if vast majority of small business lending is floating rate, actually tied to Fed rate, so there will be an immediate drop in their interest rate payouts, which is going to be pretty substantial, and that will help them with their cash flow. And the third thing is that if this helps the consumers to lower their interest rates on their credit cards and the other loans like auto loans and all that, then there should be more consumer spending coming in, which will again help small businesses to at least grow their businesses. So business owners who have taken SBA loans and all that will get an automatic reduction in the interest rate, so they don't need to refinance. Where they have fixed rate interest, what they should calculate is any prepayment penalties if they have to refinance. If not, then I think it's a good time to get started because we don't know how much more interest rates can come down. I think that picture is not very clear right now. And the third thing is that if you're looking to borrow money right now and you haven't borrowed money in the last 2 years, then it's a pretty good time to do it because you can get benefit of lower interest rates. And you can also get benefit of upcoming holiday season where the demand should go up. And also if the consumer spending goes up because of the interest rate cuts, that's also going to create an upside. The other big benefit which is happening in the short term, and I don't know how long it will be there, is the lower oil prices, because lower gas prices always leads to a better feel good factor. And that is in an environment where you have lower gas prices combined with lowering interest rates, that should create a positive environment for small businesses.